Hello everyone, my name is Danny as a for UR15 CS304. Today I'll be doing experiment number 2 of Unix Lab. The questions are given over here, conditional statements using shell script. The first one is calculate the greatest of three numbers. So here I have input E, um, vi greatest.sh. Um, as you can see here I'm asking for three numbers, read A, B, C. D and E store the greatest of two numbers individually. I'll tell you what I'm talking about. If uh, $A greater than equal to $B, that is the value of A greater than value of B, then uh, A will be stored into D, as D will hold the greatest number among A and B. So whichever is greatest will be stored in D. If the statement is false, then B will be entered because B is greater than A, so B will be put into D. So by the end of this if condition, it will be D will have the maximum of A and B, and then D is compared with C, and whatever is maximum in both of them will be stored in E. So by the end of the program, you can see that I'm echoing the greatest number is $E, that is the value of E. So let's just test this out. I'm putting 1, 6, and 4. Says greatest number is 6. So there you have it. Now the second program is student grade calculation. Stud- stud G. So here I'm just asking for the roll number, which is of no use anyways. Then the marks of five subjects of the student. The name of the student is, it will be displayed. The number of the student is, it will be displayed, and the marks obtained. The marks obtained of M1, M2, M3, M4, and M5 will be also displayed, and the percentage will be calculated as the sum of all the five subjects divided by 5, because we are taking the marks out of 100. Then the percentage will be displayed. If test percentage greater than 60, then grade is first. If if percentage greater than equal to 50 and less than equal to 59, then it will be grade second. Else if grade greater than 40 and less than 49, it will be grade third. Else it will be fail. So let's check this program out. SH roll number 3, 56, 78, 99, 67, and 58. So as you can see, the marks over here is given. The percentage is 71, and since it's greater than 60, it is showing as grade first. So this program also works. Electricity bill calculator. So electro. Um, okay, so now we are going to input the number of hours and the rate per hour, and pay is initialized as 0 at first. If number of hours is less than 50, then pay is directly calculated as uh, 50 into uh, uh, okay, not 50. It will be put as dollar h, the number of hours into rate. Else, uh, if it's greater than 50, uh, then the additional amount of hours, which is more than 50, that will be charged an extra 50% rate. So HR is equal to dollar $h minus 50, that is calculating the extra number of hours. Rate is equal to RR is equal to rate into 1.5. Total is 50 into R plus HR into RR. So total and extra two variables that we have calculated over here, and total plus extra gives the total pay, and the pay will be uh, displayed. So I'll just test this. Number of hours, if suppose it's 40 and 4, it should be 40 into 4, that is 160. But if it is 60 and 4, the first 50 hours will be charged at four rupees whatever per hour, and the last 10 will be charged 6 rupees per hour. So it will be 200 plus 60, that should be equal to 260, as you can see over here. So that's the program of electricity bill calculator. Find if an alphabet is a vowel or a consonant. So bill is alpha. Alpha. Enter any character. Uh, A, it's a vowel. Capital A, it's a vowel. Q, it is not a vowel. So I'll just show you the program over here. It's very simple. Read any character, then we read it as CH, and we put it in a switch case of capital A, E, I, O, U and small a, E, I, O, U. And for everything, it is a vowel. And default, it will be not a vowel. So there is the program for vowel calculation. And the last one is palindrome, I guess. Palindrome of a number. So we have to check whether it's a palindrome or not. So here is a program. First you're reading a number, then SD equal to 0. Reverse is the reverse. On has the same value as of $n. Now we are put it in a loop and trying to calculate the reverse of it. So SD is equal to modulus, N is equal, SD is having the remainder, N is dividing itself by 10, and then reverse is equal to reverse into 10 plus SD. That's what it says. Uh, uh, by using echo command, it will show the reverse value and then SD. So it will be almost like with the same effect of into 10 plus SD, and then done. If on equals to reverse, that is on is having the original number and reverse is having the reverse number. If both are equal, number is palindrome. If it's not, else it will go for number is not palindrome. So we're going to check this as well. Search 1 2 3, number is not palindrome. But if it's 1 2 1, it says number is palindrome. So thank you for watching the video.